Myself, Praveen Baste, Assistant Professor of Plant Pathology, Kekewa College of Horticulture, Nasik. I am going to tell you different diseases of vegetables and their causal organisms. First, potato. There are number of diseases in potato. Lead blight of potato. Causal organism is Phytophthora infestans. Early blight of potato. Causal organism Alternaria solani. Potato scab. Streptomyces scabies, black heart of potato, caused due to high temperature, low oxygen supply and poor ventilation. Brown rot of potato, caused by Ralstonia solanacearum. Mosaic of potato, caused by potato mosaic virus. Potato spindle tuber, caused by viroids. Second, diseases of tomato. Early blight of tomato, caused by Alternaria solani. Damping up of tomato, caused by Pythium dibarianum. Fusarium wilt of tomato, caused by Fusarium oxysporum. Leaf curl of tomato, caused by Gemini virus. Mosaic of tomato, caused by tomato mosaic virus. Tomato spotted wilt virus, caused by tomato spotted wilt virus. Bacterial fruit canker, caused by Clavibacter michigens. Blossom end rot of tomato. It is physiological disorder caused by calcium deficiency. Third, diseases of brinjal. Verticillium wilt. Causal organism Verticillium dahlia. Phomopsis blight caused by Phomopsis vexans. Bacterial wilt caused by Ralstonia solanacearum. Little leaf of brinjal caused by Phytoplasma. Rust of brinjal caused by Puccinia peniceti. Different diseases of chili. Damping up caused by Pythium dibarianum. Powdery mildew of chili caused by Libellula torica. Anthracnose of chili caused by Coletotrichum capsicum. Leaf curl of chili caused by chili leaf curl virus. Little leaf of chili caused by Phytoplasma species. Number 5. Disease of crucifers. Alternaria leaf spot caused by, it is also known as black spot or brown spot, caused by Alternaria brassicola. Black rot of crucifers caused by Xanthomonas axanopodis. Downy mildew of crucifers caused by Peronospora brassica. White rust of crucifers caused by Albigo cruciferanum. Club root of cabbage, causal organism Plasmodiophora brassica. Different disorders are also in crucifers. First, browning of the crucifers caused by deficiency of boron. Whiptail of cauliflower caused by deficiency of molybdenum. Different diseases of radish. White rust of radish, causal organism Albigo cruciferanum. Beet rot of different diseases of beetroot. Cercospora leaf spot, causal organism Cercospora beticola. Powdery mildew of beetroot, causal organism Ericipe beta. Sclerotium root rot, causal organism Sclerotium rollsi. Different diseases of lady's finger. Powdery mildew of lady's finger caused by Ericipe siceracearum. Fusarium wilt caused by Fusarium oxysporum. Yellow vein mosaic of lady's finger caused by DNA virus. And different diseases of fenugreek. Powdery mildew of fenugreek, causal organism Ericipe polygoni. Downy mildew of fenugreek, causal organism Peronospora trifolium. Different diseases of pea. Powdery mildew Ericipe polygoni. Fusarium wilt caused by Fusarium oxysporum. Ination mosaic of pea caused by P. ination mosaic virus, PEMV. Different diseases of beans. Powdery mildew of bean caused by Ericipe polygoni. Anthracnose of bean caused by Coletotrichum lindimuthianum. Rust of bean caused by Euromyces phaseoli. Bacterial blight of beans caused by Xanthomonas axanopodis. Mosaic of bean caused by bean mosaic virus. Different diseases of onion. Purple blotch or scald of onion caused by Alternaria puri. Smut of onion caused by Urocystis cephala. Smudge of onion caused by Coletotrichum circinans. Downy mildew of onion caused by Peronospora distractor. Aspergillus blackening of onion caused by Aspergillus eliaceus. Different diseases of garlic, neck and bulb rot, causal organism Botrytis alai. Different diseases of ginger, rhizome rot, causal organism Pythium mariotilum. Leaf spot or anthracnose of ginger, Colotrichum capsicum, Taphrina of leaf spot, causal organism Taphrina maculans. These are the different diseases and their causal organisms.